Hey, I wanted to share for you vanners and RVers out there, and even the guys that do the off-road. But I came across this little jobber here, ViAir. This is the 88p model, and it's supposed to go to 120 psi. And it comes with a really long cable, and then your battery clamps. But I mean, it takes up no room whatsoever. But I'd like to dig into this, see what you guys think. Check it out.
When shopping for an air compressor, I was looking for something that was affordable, portable, and able to inflate not just regular tires, but RV tires. I needed a compressor that could handle 120 psi. For those that don't know what psi is, it is pounds per square inch. I was also tired of using air outlets at gas stations, which cost a fortune and sometimes don't always work. On my road trek, the tires are recommended of 60 psi in front and 80 psi in the back tires, all for best performance and even tread wear. I like how the ViAir came with a bag, and the cable's 20 feet long. For a small compressor, it feels pretty heavy duty. As well, comes with battery clips that felt pretty good. Yep. On and off the side of the ViAir came with some nice accessories. Something you could inflate a raft with or a basketball. I like the ground plate, how it's able to sit on the ground with these 4 rubber legs. There's the on button, cylinder, and then your meter reader, your tach. Here's some of the specs on the box if you want to pause it here. To protect your ViAir unit and your battery, it comes with a fuse. It's a 20 amp fuse. Might want to carry an extra just in case. So far I haven't had a problem. There's a real nice tie clip that comes with the ViAir on the cable, so you don't have to deal with twisty ties. To power the ViAir, I use the ViAir battery clips. Negative black on black and positive red to red on battery.
What I like about this portable compressor is all the length of cable it gives you. My RV's 20 feet long. I got plenty extension to get to my wheels.
Just for a note, between the ViAir gauge and my pen gauge, there seems to be a 3 to 4 gauge difference.
Right now we're going to do back tires.
I need to add about 10 pounds of pressure. Let's time it and see how long.
I want 80
PSI. To do 10 pounds of pressure, 80 psi, it took 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
So hey, I got this all wrapped up, ready to go back in its bag and to live in the RV. But what can I say? I really like it. It's not a really fast inflation, but man, for the size of this thing, it works great. And I mean, it's heavy duty. It's not cheap. The cylinder here, it does get warm. Gets really warm. Just to make a mental note of that, to not touch it when you're done. But I haven't blown a fuse on it, and I've used it several times now. So yeah, I give this product a thumbs up. If it's something that you want to check out, look up my description box. You can get one of these on Amazon. We'll catch you all later. Bye.